Hi, I'm gonna try this ramen Japanese style that I found on our exchange. So this one I have to cook this one uh, with a broth that's mixed with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. So and I don't have everything. I don't have a chicken. I think it's recommended if you have chicken, it would probably taste better. But I don't have it, so I'm gonna improvise this one, and let's see. I'm also gonna boil some egg to partner this one. Hopefully, I don't mess up the boiling of eggs. Sometimes if it's not boiled properly, it might not cook properly too. All right, so I'm gonna again put the broth. It's worth 4 cups of broth, and then yeah. So these are the info for that chicken broth. Then I'm gonna add other things, soy sauce. Again, I'm just gonna estimate whatever, and then it's supposed to be 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, so I'm just gonna estimate that, and then also 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. I'm gonna estimate that one too. I need some more, so I have to take the top off on this one, and we're gonna add some more, and that should be it. And then I'm just gonna mix it, and then wait for it to boil under medium high, and then after that I'm gonna add the noodles and kind of try to cook it, stir it until it's actually cooked. Yep. So all right. So I'm gonna go with the egg. So I'm just waiting for it to boil, and I did the green beans at the back too, just for additional vegetable. I just fried it over there, and yeah. So I'm just waiting for now. And over here, it's boiling already, so I'm gonna add the noodles for the ramen. Let's see what it looks like. So I feel like I'm gonna need some scissors on this one. Alright, so I'm gonna, yeah, this is easy, just not adding the scissors for this one. So that's 4 noodles over here. I need to just make sure it's gonna fit the pan. Trying to wait for it to get cooked a bit partially, so that it's gonna actually merge into the water and fit, so I can stir it properly. I don't know why I do that. I think this is the easiest way here, so I just have to wait until it's kind of soft, and then so that it's gonna submerge to the broth, and then I'm gonna add the egg. Yeah, so I need to be careful in doing this because it's gonna break the egg if it's gonna hit the bottom. So I'm just gonna yeah. So it's a learning process for me to be gentle and putting the egg on it. So or else if you drop it, either you get hit with the boiling water or you're gonna crack the egg. So I'm just gonna stir this one, and according to the box, it would take 5 to 6 minutes of continuously stir until the noodles are cooked. So whichever works. So I noticed that the noodles is absorbing the broth of the chicken. I'm gonna add again the cold water. It's for the boiled egg, because from hot you have to put it in the cold. So the temperature difference is gonna make it cook it. All right, so I'm gonna stir it more, and then I'm just gonna turn off the flame, and I'm just gonna prep the boiled egg. Yeah, so I think the boiled egg is good. Now it's usually cook the boiled eggs 10 to 12 minutes, and make sure you submerge it with the cold water after. If I had more time, if I'm not really filming, I'm gonna put this one on the fridge for a few minutes so that it actually harden a bit, so that it's not gonna the inside is not gonna stick to the shell. But it should be fine for now. I feel when I try to crack it, some of the outer surface of the egg is still sticking to the so if you see this one, the inside is soft, so I did a good job. It's not what do you call this, like all the way boiled, hardened. So I'm gonna put some noodles here, the ramen noodles. I was just more bought that so I can actually like make it look fancy and kind of like make it like it looks like a ramen with sauce. I'm gonna put the green beans for and the boiled egg and then some carrots, and here it is.